Alright, this is my starting day 2000 here, and today is Wednesday, February 5th, 2020, and they're going to be doing the required weekly test momentarily. So, yeah. Let's see here. I made a sign that says my starting day 2002. I have the WR100 here, ready for the test.
Thunderstorms are expected to develop this afternoon across parts of the high plains into western Kansas.
Okay, well that's
fair. This activity will then move southeast across parts of northern, central into eastern Oklahoma. Strong wind gusts will be the primary.
I did make a sign, and this is going to be basically my logo. So there we are. So yeah, there we are. We have my Simplex Steward and my LS1-12 by Wheelock. And the alert desk sign. So, yeah. They should do it any second now. There you go. There you do. Here, required weekly test. Required weekly test. Required weekly test. Required weekly test.
You have just heard a test of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm feature. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location.
That's a nice.
This variability, normally more noticeable at a greater distance from the transmitter, will occur even when you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. During severe weather, the warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm and tornado.
That's yellow. It looks green, but it's yellow.
And flash flood warnings. The warning alarm will also be.
I'm pretty sure it's not. Yeah, it's yellow, not green. It looks green on.
National Weather Service radio is conducted at 12 noon and 7 p.m. each Wednesday, unless there is a significant risk of severe weather in the area. The following is your hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is
Go ahead, man.
northern,
Come back over here.
central, and southern Oklahoma, and western North Texas.
Yes, it looks green, but it's actually yellow. Trust me.
Thunderstorms are expected to develop this afternoon across parts of the high plains into western Kansas.
So, yeah. And for the record, there's the one from noon. I was not home at the time. So there's this, which is a severe thunderstorm warning. That is the severe thunderstorm warning. And this, which is a severe thunderstorm warning, came in about 1:30, 2 a.m. this morning. So, yeah, I was not able to capture it. So, yeah. That being said, thank you for watching, and that will be